Hello friends, welcome to the new session of Oracle tutorials for beginners. In this today's session, we are going to learn the next important Oracle function, replace of. In our previous session, we have briefly learned about the translate function. In this session, we will learn about the next important function, replace of. Let's get started. The Oracle replace function is used to return the output with every occurrence of search string replaced with replacement string, which means similar like translate function, we will have a 3 argument in the replace function. One search string, the second string is search string, the string you want to change, and the third argument is replacement string, the string you want to change with the search string. Say for example, my search string is A and my replacement string is X. When you run the query, the A will be get replaced with X. And next two important thing that you need to remember when you use replace function. If the replacement string or the third argument is omitted is nothing but if you are not given in the query or if you are passing null in the third argument, then all the occurrence of set string, which is nothing but the second argument, are removed in the result set. We will see some examples so that you will get a clear idea. And the third important step is when search string, which means the second argument is null, then the input string, the complete input string will be returned in the output. So this is the syntax of replace function. Replace of your input string. The input string is nothing but the input you want to pass for the query, and the search string is nothing but the character or the setup character, which is nothing but a string you want to change, and the replacement string is nothing but the search string you want to replace with which set of character or string. Let's take this as an example for replace. If you see in this example, we are passing W3 resources our input string, and in the second argument we are passing UR, and in the third argument we are passing only R. So as I mentioned earlier, replace is an string based replacement method. So wherever we have a UR, that will get replaced with R. If you see the output here, wherever we have UR, see it is marked in the round and it get replaced with only R, so that we are getting W3 RESORCE instead of UR, it is getting replaced with R. So replace will work as character based as well as the string based, but translate will work only character based replacement. Let's see some examples so that you will get a clear idea. For each and every scenario I will show you one example so that you will get a clear idea. So let's take this first example. We have a replace command, replace function in the query, and my input string is Oracle, and I have my set string as O, and I have my replacement string as A. So in this query, what will happen? Wherever I have O will get replaced with A, which is similar like our translate function. As I mentioned, this replace will work like translate also. It will replace character also. And the second important thing is replace as a string based replacement method. So when I run this query, obviously wherever we have O will get replaced with A. See the character the character O has been replaced with A. If you see the second example, wherever we have OR, which is nothing but string, it is more than one character, so it is called a string. So wherever we have OR, continuous OR, will get replaced with XY. So when we run this query, we will get the output as XYACLE. If you see the third example, I want to replace wherever the occurrence of OR is there, I want to replace with number 1. So obviously we will get output as 1ACLE. See, so it is string based replacement. Wherever this continuous string is present in the input string, will get replaced with third argument, so that we are getting output as 1ACLE. If you see this fourth example, there is no continuous occurrence of OC. If you see here, OR is there is no continuous occurrence of OC. So when you run this query, obviously you will get an same input string as an output. So when you pass the second argument, you need to be very careful. So if the occurrence is not present in this source string, which is nothing but our input string, then obviously you will get the first argument in the result, so that we are getting Oracle as an output. Let's take fifth as an example. In this case, I don't have any third argument. So if you pass only two argument, so this OR will, wherever we have OR occurrence, will get neglected in the result set, so that we are getting ACLE in the output. Or even if you pass a null value, you will get the same output, same ACLE you will get. That is what we have seen in earlier. If you omit or if you pass null in the third argument, so this, if the set string available in your input string, then obviously it will be omitted in the result set. See, ACLE you are getting. So if you see the 7 as an example, if you pass the second argument as null, then obviously you will get input string as a result. See, Oracle. Or if you pass null as an second argument set string, and even if you have a replacement string, it doesn't make any difference. Since this string is null, so obviously you will get a input string as an output. So I hope this video is clear. If you have any doubt on this replace function, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel for regular update. Thanks for watching.